Look at your lips right now. Dry? Dull? Peeling? Then don't skip this, because this simple home lip therapy can make your lips soft and healthy overnight. No expensive treatments, no fancy lip masks. Just moisturizer, Vaseline, and honey. Step 1. Take a small bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon moisturizer. Now add 1/2 teaspoon Vaseline. Finally, add 1/2 teaspoon pure honey. Mix everything well until it becomes smooth and creamy. Step 2. Apply this mixture evenly on clean, dry lips. Cover your lips properly. Now wait patiently until the layer on your lips turns transparent. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the mixture deeply nourishes dry and dead skin. Step 3. Once it becomes transparent, gently remove it using dental floss or a wet wipe. Be very gentle and avoid harsh rubbing. After removing, apply a little Vaseline or lip balm to lock in moisture. Sparkles result? Instantly smoother, softer, and plumper looking lips. Repeat this remedy 2 to 3 times a week, not daily. With regular use, you'll notice lips looking naturally pink and hydrated. If you liked this hack, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye beauties.